Welcome to Simplify Stroke. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to get started with Simplify Stroke by registering an account. Follow these instructions to seamlessly navigate through the registration process. There are two buttons on Simplify Stroke that will open a sign-up form. The first can be found on the center of the homepage and is labeled Let's Get Started. The second button is located on the top right of the header. After clicking either of the two buttons previously described, this sign-up form will be visible. Enter your first name into the top input text field. Enter your last name into the second input text field. Enter your email address into the third input text field. Create a password and enter it into the password field. This password should include both letters and numbers, and ideally also some special characters to ensure a higher level of password security. Before a sign-up button shows up on the form, you must indicate you have reviewed and agreed to Simplify Stroke terms and conditions and privacy policy. You can easily view these by clicking on their respective links. The Terms Conditions link is highlighted here. To review the privacy policy, click on the link highlighted here. Once the terms and policies have been reviewed, you can check the input box indicating you have reviewed these and you agree to both items. Upon clicking the checkbox, the Sign Up button will now be visible, and you can complete the process by clicking Sign Up. This will register your account and get you signed up for Simplify Stroke. Once registered, the site should navigate you to your profile page to continue filling out your profile and getting started with Simplify Stroke. This guide covered the necessary steps to sign up for Simplify Stroke. From account creation to reviewing terms and policies, you are now equipped to start utilizing the platform and simplifying your stroke program management.